Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to set up Shipbubble as a shipping method on your website. Now, in the previous video, I showed how to set up Chowdeck, but you can also set up Shipbubble. And these two options provide different solutions. So with Chowdeck, for example, you can set up Chowdeck if you want to do same-day deliveries. So with Chowdeck, your customers can get same-day deliveries. But Shipbubble offers a slightly different solution. Now with Shipbubble, you can have as much as 40 delivery companies displayed on your website at checkout, and now your customers can choose what delivery company that they want to use. Now with Shipbubble, they can see the different options, the different prices, and the different delivery timelines. Then they get to choose what option that they want. So they're not limited to just your own shipping company. And once they make the payment and the order is completed on your website, then a dispatcher comes to pick up from you and delivery is done. And everything is automated on your Bumpa web app. Now to set Shipbubble as a shipping method, first of all, you just need to come to shipping here in the menu option on the left and then click on shipping. So when you get here, you click on settings. Now, once this has loaded, you toggle on automated shipping settings and then come down here to Shipbubble and toggle this on. Now, once you've done that, you select the category of products that you sell. So let's say, for example, we sell fashion wear. So you select that, it will appear here. Then the next thing is to enter the average weight of your packages. So this will be used if a product weight is not specified. So what is the average weight of your packages? How do you send your packages? So basically, once you click on this, you will see all of these options and then you can pick any of them or choose a custom option where you can then pick the exact size that you want. So let's say, for example, we send in a small box. You can just click on that and save. And then next is to choose the logistics partners that you want. So once you click on this option here, you will see a list of all the available logistics partners. So you can click here to select all, or untoggle this and then select manually the ones that you actually want to work with. And then once you're done, you can switch to international. So if you do international shipping, there's also that option. And also same process, either toggle this on to select all or untoggle it and then pick your options one by one. And then once you're done, you just click on save changes and then click on save changes here. And Shipbubble has been set up on your website. So now let's see what your customers will actually see when they go to your website. Let's go to checkout on the Bumpa website. Okay, so now we're at checkout. We've placed an order, we've added our delivery details, and now we want to select our shipping method or shipping rate. So here, once they click on this, they will see all of these options. And as you can see here, you can see the dispatch company and you can see the time frame and how much it will cost. And it's like that for every single option. So now your customers have options they can pick from, and once they come here, they can select whatever option they want and they are good to go. Once they do this, they can then go ahead and place their order and they're good to go. And that's it. That's how to set up Shipbubble on your website. The next video will be breaking down automated shipping and how it works. So I'll see you in the next one.